Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am again with my nails. These nails are around 4 weeks old. I'm not sure if you can see the growth, the actual growth. There is an air pocket right there. You already know I didn't do a great job in that area of my nail. There's a tiny bit of air pocket right here in the corner where you see a little bit extra white. And look at all that growth. I'm so happy. I always feel very successful every time that my nails last a long time when they grow out of my natural nails like that. And look the health of my natural nails growing in the back. But I am going to tell you, since I do suffer from nail allergies, like I have allergic reactions to henna and acrylite products. I am very allergic to those things. So whenever I do my nails and they start growing out this way, they actually don't grow this healthy, as you can see right here. For them to seem this healthy, every time that they're growing out, like maybe a week later or 2 weeks later, the nails start growing a little bit of, I'm not sure if it's called like the opinikin right here. They start growing like the nail beds they grow out, and so they have extra growth of like dry skin around my nails, and extra I do grow extra opinium in the sides of the back of my nail beds. And so my nail beds are always like really dirty, not with like dirt, actual dirt, but like overgrowth of like what is it called, like the dead skin right here. As you can see, look at the skin that is growing right there in the part right there. That skin right there that grows on top of my nail bed, that's the skin that I'm talking about. That whenever I'm growing out my nails, when they're just growing, I just do attempt to clean them. And I'm going to show you right now how I do that, okay? This is where I have my organized nail stuff. And this is just a box that I am reusing. It's a teeth whitening box, but you can use it whatever you can. But this is how I actually go ahead and clean my nail beds when my nails are actually growing. Look at the bottom, the inside of my nails. Whenever I do my nails next time, I'm just going to, of course, obviously clean that under my nails. And you will see how I do that. But this right here, I'm going to show you, is what I use to clean my nail beds. I am not sure why it has like a reddish color underneath. Most likely I used a product that was wet and I removed it with that maybe in the past, but I have never cleaned it after that. But I don't have clients or anything like that. This is just nails that I do for myself, so I don't mind because it's not gonna give me like any allergic reaction. But I'm going to show you how I remove my dirty the nail growth that comes out of my you understand, my nails. How I remove the nail beds, how I clean them. I take this part and it's like a little knife, but also does a good job before I'm doing my nails. When I start doing my nails to clean my plates, it does a good job of removing the dead skin. It's like a nail, not a nail cutter, but like clippers. So I also remove my cuticles with that as well. So I'm going to show you. I'm not sure if you can see, but let's pretend my fingers right here. And so I go ahead and I remove it this way, like that. And so I'm using right now one hand, but that's exactly how I clean my nail plates. And so this is the dead skin that falls out. And that's how the nails are able to look clean and fresh, because I clean my entire fingers with this. And it's very satisfying to just remove that dry skin you see right there. And with that being said, this is safer than using a nail clipper. I just don't know how to use a nail clipper, and these are like $1 on eBay. You can also find them in Amazon. Sometimes they have a really expensive, but some people be hyping up the price when they see that you're buying stuff a lot. I have another one of these. I haven't opened it. This one is a little bit rusty. It's a little bit dusty, as you can see too. It's a little bit dirty. I will clean it. But since it's for myself, I don't do too much and stuff. But I do love it. It has works wonder for me. I've been using it now for 3 years. Believe it or not, I have never used clippers. I do not know how to remove nail cuticles, or to clean up the bed with a nail cuticles and stuff like how to remove the cuticles. I do not use any liquids to remove my cuticles either. I just use this and I go around it. It doesn't come in. Yes, the first time it did come in because it was very sharp. And sometimes I do sharpen this as well. I can show you, if anything, another video how to sharpen your I'm not sure if it's called cuticle clipper, but it's very easy too, and it's better than using nail clippers for me, just my opinion. But yes, if you would like me to show you how to sharpen the the little knife area, so you can, so it doesn't get like stale or stale, it doesn't get damaged, and you can continue to use it. But at the same time, if you want to buy one, you can just buy it yourself, and you don't have to use nail clippers. But this is very easy for me, and if you do have clients, you can buy like one per client and just save it there, and just like, not sure, sanitize it every time that you're gonna use and save it for them. But yes, these are my nails, and this is how I make them look fresh. You see, like if you see them kind of like from far, you actually cannot tell that they're a little bit too old, like, because they look a little healthy. And yes, yeah, bye bye, see you later. Later I'm going to show you what kind of colors are best to, just so you can grow out your nails and it doesn't show as much. I do not use strong colors on my nails or nail polishes or builder gels, because I do like having my nails for a long time, especially because I'm a mother. Back, bye, take care, see you later, have a good one, subscribe, see you later, bye.